Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. And this video I actually recorded during a vlog back in November. I did not realize I had the entire footage of the hairstyle, so I was like, let me upload this. Couple things. I did like how it turned out, however, a few things I would do differently. For one, this is the very lazy way to kind of do a sleek ponytail. In real life, I would section off this big section of hair and slick down smaller sections before I put the whole thing in a ponytail, just so I can make sure it's flatter and that the product is distributed better. But when I be doing my own hair, first of all, I be being lazy, and second of all, I be leaving it for 2 seconds, so it's okay. Only way my edges stay even a little bit is if I tie them down as soon as they're done. This technique I'm using to do this braid I've done before, but I don't myself. Also, I wouldn't have used so much hair. First of all, I'm never getting this hair again. I can't remember what hair it was, but I know I won't be getting it again. But I did put like a pack and a half together because I was like, I want a thicker braid. But that heavy braid hanging from the bottom of my hair like that was not feeling good. Like, it was hard to sleep. It was just this big heavy braid. I think I kept this in for 2 days, and 2 days might be stretching. I think I took that braid out and just wore a bun because I was over it. So I would do this hairstyle again, but I would not make the bun, the braid so thick. And speaking of hair, I did get a braiding hair that kind of has some texture in it, but because I like, when I do my buns, I like for it to be obvious that I have curly hair, so I usually use products that causes my hair to wave up. So next time I do it, I'll probably get like some Marley hair. You know, that hair looks more like my natural hair does. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. I think this whole process took me like 15 minutes. Quick hairstyle. Yeah, I actually do like it. I'll do it again. I haven't done it in a while, but I would do it again. I'll just do it differently. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and TTYL.